All right, here we go. We're gonna record this so we can show you what we're doing. We got the side facing seat in here. The carpet is not right. We are gonna take a bunch of pictures of this, but basically, let me see if I can get my flashlight. Hang on 1 second. Hang on 1 second, sorry. Let's get a flashlight. Our lighting in here is terrible. But here you go. So the carpet is bunched up on both sides, and I think it's not really quite long enough either. But we're gonna work on that. What the problem is, I'm gonna pull it back out now. We're gonna pull this carpet out. Yeah, pull it out. These slots, oh, look at that. It's all chewed up. So they did try to wedge it. But anyways, these slots are not lined up with where the feet are. You can see the little bracket right there. It's not even close. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, not even close. So you can see it's like off by 3 to 4 inches, same way here. And then it's not going to be the carpet if it's butted up against that, right? It's butted right up against that right there. Right there is how that should go. It's short. It's quite a bit short. And even if I stretch it, if I really try to stretch it out, stretch it, it ends up about 1 inch short. So see, there's that side. On down to this side, it's about I don't know, at least 1 inch short, maybe more. So that ain't right. This whole carpet, we need a new piece of carpet. So I don't know how to resolve that. Yeah, it's like off by quite a bit. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look at this, cutting this right. If I can get in a position to see it. Let me hold this down. So this needs to continue down, and it needs to be cut. It needs to go down like this, and then over here, like that much off of it. Boy, that's crazy. So, anyways. Yeah. And then same down here. You can see, well, this slot is fine, but right here, this one right here is a good measurement, but right here's the end of the bracket way over here, so it's got to be like cut right here, like 1 inch more, and probably down a little deeper, like down to there. So yeah, and all of this got to be cut off to fit. But you can see how short it is. It's 1 inch short, at least. So anyways, I don't know what to do about that. You know what? Maybe I'll cut that piece off like that and leave that seam on it and stick it right there just for the time being to at least hold it. So anyways, it'll be a temporary repair. But we definitely need a new piece of carpet cut and the slots cut out properly. And I don't know. But anyways. So stay tuned. Let's see what we can do. Okay, here's what I'm doing. I got it tucked under there. It's not staying tight because when I cut the strip, obviously I lost the Velcro part of this. But it's short. I made a little patch off the scrap off of that. So I'm going to tuck that in there now. It'll make it good until we can get a new piece cut. So anyways, this is the best I can do. Best I can come up with. So stay tuned. Let me shove this little scrap piece in here like I had, and we'll see. All right, it's better than nothing. I got the carpet under there. This little bump right there is because there's no Velcro holding it down tight. And there's my little patch to cover for the time being. So I think it looks good. I'm gonna vacuum, get all the little fuzzies up. And it's not real noticeable. I mean, obviously it does have to be fixed because it's, yeah, I don't like that. But anyways, so that's it for now. I think I got it. I'm gonna take a few pictures, show them what I got, show them how I had to trim all that off to make it work. So stay tuned.